Hello. Today we're playing Roblox with my friend DJ. Say hi.
Hi.
That was very like not on time. But let's just go. Okay, I'll follow you. You go first.
Oh, okay. I'm a parkour master. Watch.
I know you are.
Okay. So bad. You catch up.
I'm catching up.
Okay.
Be quiet. I'm catching up.
Sorry. Sorry. Come on.
I'm right behind you, dude.
On gamer 2.0. Let's go.
Dang it! I fell.
We're doing a race right now.
No, we're not. No one said we're doing a race.
We are. I just made it up. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know you did. I didn't say we're doing a race.
Yeah, I know.
You just died!
I thought we go to the side. Man. This is cheat right now.
I didn't cheat. I was just about to die by
You're
accident.
a cheater. You're a cheater.
What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean?
It's so easy. Cheater, man. Yeah? You're a cheater.
I'm not a cheater, dude.
Just emotional sometimes. I'm sitting thinking.
Is this ice cream? I want ice cream now.
Yeah. You know.
Where are you? Oh my god, you're right behind me. Run. What is that? What is that on your left? Look on your left. What is that?
What's that? What is that?
What is? Oh my god, I just died. No.
I just like saying that. Yeah. Easy. Sorry. Happy Friday. Get out.
Get back here. No, I'm stuck. Stop it.
Easy.
I'm right behind you. Okay, we're coming up to this super weird stage. This is an easy stage.
What is this? What was this?
That was easy, dude. What do you mean, what is this? That was so easy. Bye! Woo! Okay, here's the weird stage. Oh, it's like inside a building, like there's parkour inside of here. That's what it's like. Because I couldn't see inside of here. No, I couldn't see. I gotta go first person.
I'm a 35. Oh my goodness. Easy.
I can't see with these things in the way.
It's speed running.
I know you're speed. You're like the best speed runner I know. We're even off. Yo, can you wait for me?
How to speed run in Minecraft? Stay tuned for Minecraft.
I wish I could skip the stage right now. How much Robux does it cost to skip a stage? 40 Robux. I only have 50. I mean, I only have 10. I see you! Dude, I'm still inside the massive thing. Wait.
I'm trying to reach you.
I fell, and there's the moon. How did I fall on this part? That makes no sense. That's like easy. I don't know how I fell.
It's kind of easy, Gamer 2.0.
Will you stop calling me that?
I'm not allowed to reveal your name.
I have been saying your name for a lot. No, you're allowed to say my first name. You can say that, like. Remember other YouTubers, how they say their real name?
Adriano! Whoa! Adriano!
You don't have to say it like that, dude.
Adriano!
DJ, look where you are.
Oh, Adriano.
You just fell.
Sorry.
Wait for me. Why are you crying on video, dude?
Sorry.
I hate this stage. Hate this stage. Finally.
This is like the easiest stage of all. No. What? Game's actually rigged. What the heck? No. Yummy.
Don't get so mad. What did you die on? Which stage did you die on?
A stage of glowiness. That's what. Never.
Yo, I see you. Look behind you. Look behind you right now. Do it. Look. Wait, which one is this? Which is this? You know what?
I'm not sure. Okay,
It's the middle.
Go to first chin mode. Wait, first person. Okay. And left.
Left.
Oh no, go to first. Yeah, left. Oh no, I said left. That's your right. You know your left and right.
Okay, yeah. Middle.
Then right. Right.
Left. Then right. Then middle.
Right. Right. Okay. So right. Okay.
Then what?
Right.
I mean,
Yeah. Sorry, I'm choking. Oh, why are you not sharing your screen anymore?
because you shouldn't know where I am. Now I don't need help anymore. So.
I should. I'm just lonely now.
By the way, guys, leave a like on this video and subscribe.
Wow, that's the thing.
What?
Wow.
I said that so
Guys.
slow and badly.
Cringy, guys. Cringy. Cringy, man.
Yo, what happens if people say I'm a YouTuber in the chat? They're probably gonna be like, I don't care. Let's see.
Leave a like on the video if Adriano is cringy. Yep. Keep it going. Yeah, he's so cringy. No offense, Adriano. No offense.
None
I
taken.
can't go up. I am the best at what
Yo, I just said I'm recording right now. I don't think anyone cares.
You actually said that? You actually said that?
Yeah.
I'm in the video.
What is this stage? This stage is so easy. What the? I thought that was an actual thing. Yo, where the heck are you? Which stage are you on? 72? I'm on stage 59. Dude, wait. Literally no one has said anything yet. No one has said anything.
No, I said something. I don't know what are you talking about. I said
No,
I'm
like
in
someone
the video.
someone random that I don't know.
You should
Okay.
know me when you were years old.
I don't remember passing that stage.
You knew me when I was 4.
Yeah. I didn't even know who you were in kindergarten. And
now
then,
you know me.
And then you left my school, and then you went to a different school, and now we're online school in the same class somehow. I don't know how that works.
I know the pattern in this one.
What pattern?
I see you, I think. Yeah, I see you. Like the purple stage, the pattern thing, like the other one.
Where are you?
In your butt.
What?
Your butt.
Your butt?
Your butt.
I can't even hear you right now.
No, I'm actually here, in your house, looking at your house, yeah. And I'm looking at your PC. Take it all, it's chronic time. Don't go anywhere because it's not safe. So
I would hear you talking right now. I would hear you talking right now. If you were in my room, I would hear you talking right now.
No, I'm just talking so quietly. I'm just hiding. Honey, guys, don't listen to me. This is just a joke, so don't listen to me. I make jokes all the time, so don't listen to me, okay? So you guys should stay home. Don't go to other people's houses.
Seriously, I hate COVID so much. It ruined everything. It kind of like made us friends, COVID. Because I met you this way. I met you this year.
You finally met me in JK.
Technically.
And then we found
what the?
Again.
This stage is lagging bad. Why does my feet die? Do I? Oh, that's why.
Hi, Rihanna.
Where are you? Where are you?
Dude,
wait! Oh my god!
Are you crying?
No, I'm not. Just wait for me. How'd you get there? I'm so close to. Okay, can you at least wait for me?
Man.
Can you at least wait for me, dude?
Okay, only for 1 minute. Huh? Yeah, until I get to level 100. Okay?
No.
It's only like
fine.
2 more stages or something.
Fine. No, it's actually like 7 more stages.
Wrong. It's 8.
The heck was that?
My brother was this thing. So my brother was this thing. My brother was thing. Yeah. Before my book. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Hello? Yo, Adriana?
Yeah, I'm still here. I'm just so focused
You
on this
told
right
me
now.
you actually left me. You told me. Oh my goodness, my throat hurts so bad.
I have a challenge for myself. What?
How are you in level 92?
What?
I don't have to wait for you because you're in. Alright, come on. Yeah, man, buddy.
Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video, and I'll see you later. Bye.